Sharpen. It's for sharpening the edges. For example, right click and type a heel. We have a simple heel, and as you can see, this is our heel. It has a smooth edges and everything here. If you want to better see that, you can insert it to the 1K to better see more quality. And if you want to sharpen the edges, it actually sharpen the height map. You can click drag output to the sharpen. And now you can see the effects. This is without sharpen, and this is sharpen. It's sharpening the edges and everything there. You can change the amount of that. If you more sharpen, actually, if you go to the 2D and enhance it, it creates more contrast. For example, as you can see, we have a blurry things here, blurry height map. As you can see, we have more sharpening. You can define between the white and black area more. The sharpen is using the parallel processing system. As I said before, this system is for time consuming and a huge node. It take apart or separate the train to the pixel in this number that you 1K, 2K number, and it take pieces, and it process every piece at once in a parallel processing. And after that, for fasting simulation or calculation, and after that, with the edge blending that you insert here, it after that connect them to each other. You can refer to the previous lesson. In some cases, it cause some line. You have to be careful about that, but it's there. It's for better quality. If you have a powerful system, you can turn it off and calculate whole your scene at once. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.